Hi, everybody. Happy Wednesday, and we are about to start our fall break. And with that, we are starting a new at home routine. Today, in your child's backpack, you are going to get a book and a bag. It looks like this, and I want to show you what that routine will look like so you can make the most out of that experience with your child and make sure it's not a frustrating or unpleasant experience. So, when you get your book in a bag, you're going to open it up and you will find a few things inside. First of all, you're going to find a parent letter that is purple. If you just take a moment to look at that and read through it, there are two sides. This just gives you some reading tips to make reading enjoyable and helpful for your child. Once you've read that, you can put that aside. It doesn't need to stay in the bag. Secondly, you're going to see this recording sheet. This will stay in the bag, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. Thirdly, you're going to find a leveled reader for your child to read at home with you. Right now, all of our students are starting out on the same level, and we will move kids to different levels as the year progresses. But right now, all we're doing is we're establishing the routine. So if this seems too easy for your child, that's okay for now because we want to just establish the book in a bag routine. And finally, we have this popcorn word ring of words. And we have to thank our Bridgewater BBC, PTO, and Bo Nielsen for putting these together for us over the summer. We really appreciate it. It's a lot of work. We will continue to add more words to this as the year progresses. Right now, there's just a handful of words, and your child does not know all of these words. They only know the word the, and they know the word and right now. So 2 words right now that they know. So what I would do is I would just read these words with your child at night, read it to them, and if they see the and, maybe pause, let them read those words to you, and pretty soon they're going to start memorizing these words and reading them to you. So the routine's going to look like this. For the first few weeks to a month that you do this, you're going to pull out this book, and you're going to start by reading the book to your child. And by doing that, you're going to model how that might look. So you're going to point to each word and read it to them. We can swim. Just have them listen to it. We can play. We can rake. You'll go through the whole book pointing under each word as you read so they can see how they are supposed to do it. Once you've finished reading it, close the book and start again and ask your child to read the book to you. Ask them to point under each word as they read and have them hop like a frog under each word. If they get stuck, please don't cover up the word or cover up the picture and make them try to read the word. Encourage your child to look at the pictures to see if there's picture clues that might help. And as the year progresses, they can look at the first letter of the word to see if that gives them some help. If they get stuck, go ahead and tell them what the word is if they can't figure it out on their own. Once they've read the book and they can read the book independently without help, then you are going to write the name of the book here on this sheet and sign and initial it and send it back to school. You are also going to say that you've reviewed popcorn words. Every single time you read, you review these popcorn words. The popcorn words, the yellow sheet, and the book all go back into the bag and will go back to school with your child. Now, the more your child participates in this, the more it helps with their reading skills. So I would appreciate if you did this at least 3 days a week, if not every night. It's up to you. When your child brings the book back to school saying that they're ready, they're going to put it in their book or their toolbox, and they will be continuing to practice reading that book here at school during quiet reading time. So they'll grow their own collection of leveled books. So again, take a look at this when you get home. Your child is likely very excited about it. You have a little to-do list here just to remind you what you're supposed to be doing. And again, the more you read with your child, the more it helps with their reading progress. They can do this with parents. They can do this with babysitters, older brothers and sisters, whoever might be home with them after school. So take a look at this when you get home, and I appreciate you participating in this with your child at home. Have a great fall break, everybody, and I look forward to seeing everybody on Monday.